Hi, friends!
Gore Bay is a charming town on Manitoulin Island in Ontario. Nestled along the northern shore of Manitoulin Island, Gore Bay is surrounded by the pristine beauty of Lake Huron's North Channel. The bay offers stunning views and crystal-clear waters, perfect for enjoying outdoor adventures or just relaxing by the shore. Gore Bay became a town on April 7, 1890, following the Treaty of 1862, which opened Manitoulin Island for settlement. This picturesque town grew out of the wilderness, with hotels built to welcome new settlers. The town's name might come from the Gore-shaped harbor, but some believe it's linked to Sir Francis Gore, or a steamer named Gore that once operated in the area. Back in the day, boats were the main way to get around, traveling between Sault Ste. Marie, Collingwood, and Owen Sound, with Gore Bay as a regular stop. This made the town a bustling hub for commercial travelers, fishermen, doctors, lumbermen, and tourists. Gore Bay is a place where you can enjoy natural beauty, rich history, and a warm community spirit. Whether you're visiting for the first time or you've been here before, there's always something delightful to discover in this lovely small town.
Thanks for watching!